students, we are going to discuss what is an electric circuit. Electric circuit, it is a closed and continuous path along which an electric current flows. And what is an electric circuit? Electric circuit is a closed and continuous path along which an electric current flows. Example of electric circuit, we can take the torchlight. Our torchlight, which we use for light, that is also an example of electric circuit. In a torch, there is a switch. That switch provides us a conducting link between a battery and a bulb. When we on the switch, then electric current starts to flow through the bulb. Then bulb emitting light. Okay, so this continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. But question is arise, how the current flows in an electric circuit? That means in a electric circuit, it should have potential difference. It should have potential difference between 2 points of the electric circuit. So we can make an electric circuit. We can construct or we can make an electric circuit. Suppose you are supplied some nichrome wire, a bulb, a battery of having 4 cells of 1.5 volt each, a key and a emitter. Then you have to make an electric circuit. Okay, first of all, we should know what is a nichrome. What is a nichrome? You see, nichrome it is not made up of pure metal. It is a combination of 4 different metals. Okay, nichrome is not made up of one metal. It is made up of 4 metals, mixture of 4 metals. Ni for, we can say Ni for nickel. Then chrome means chromium. Nickel, chromium, manganese and iron. Okay, and iron. That means nichrome is an alloy of four different mixture of four different metals: nickel, chromium, manganese and iron, because you are supplied some nichrome wire. Then look here, you are supplied nichrome wire, a bulb, a battery of having 4 cells of 1.5 volt each, a key and a emitter. Then these are all nichrome wire. We have connect with this nichrome wire. This is this is one cell, this is two, okay, second cell, this is third cell and this is fourth cell. Every cell has 1.5 volt. Okay, every cell is of 1.5 volt. That means total there is 6 volt. Okay, that means you can say this is a battery. So in a battery there are two ends, one is negative, other is positive. Okay, then a bulb is also connecting, and this A for emitter. That means this is an emitter, and with this nichrome wire also connecting with switch, means K here, K for key. Okay, so this is switch. So when you have connect all the given substances, then now you on the key. Okay, when you are going to on, then the current negative to positive okay, it will be flow. That means current will move with this direction. When current is there, then this bulb starts to glow. Okay, this bulb starts to glow. Then how much current is flowing through this circuit? Who will measure? This emitter, because emitter is a instrument that measures amount of flowing current through the circuit. Understood? So this circuit we can construct by this way. This is what? This is all this is a nichrome wire. With the help of this nichrome wire, we are connecting a battery of 4 cells having 1.5 volt each, a key, an emitter and a bulb. When switch is on, the current starts to flow. Then in these directions current will start to move, the bulb will glow, and how much amount of current is flowing through this circuit, this emitter will tell us. Understood? This is the what? Structure of an electric circuit.